Hi and welcome to DFM Institute online classes. I welcome you all to our another course, Mastering the Email Writing Skills. If you have purchased this course, either you have purchased this course or you're watching it as a demo. Trust me, this course is so powerful that you can grow unlimited in your life. Just watch this video till the end because I'm going to share all those things. If you're working in a corporate, if you're working in an MNC, if you're working anywhere where you have to deal with a lot of emails every day. So how to write professional emails for every situation, how to manage those emails so that your work should go smoothly and you will grow unlimited in your life if you will master this email writing skills course, because I'm going to teach you each and everything so that you can write email for any situation without any hesitation, without any question. So let me first introduce myself. My name is Pankaj Chhabra and I am a chartered accountant by profession. I have worked with so many corporates and I worked with so many senior directors, managers, and everyone. So I have a lot of experience in my in my professional journey, and I have I'm so glad to share that in this course I'm not going to give you any theory. I'll give you all live email drafting. This is the best part of this is the best part of the course, that you will learn all those emails live. I'll not give you any theory or anything. You can check my profile. You have access to this PDF. So let me first brief you about what all things we'll cover. So this is our first video and we'll discuss what all things we'll cover in this course. The first situation that we'll learn how to write email for this situation. We'll learn if you have to complain about some matter, maybe to anyone, maybe to your colleague, or maybe to any XYZ person. You want to complain about something. So how will you do? How will you write that email? How to start that email? How to write portion of that email? How to end that email? So we'll learn practically how to write that. Secondly, we will learn how to write diplomatic mail. This is the most common situation we all can come across when you're working in a deadline on a project, and the deadline is so near, and you have to take emergency leaves due to some family issues. So you have to write diplomatic email in that case, that your boss and your team should not feel that you have taken an unnecessary email. So you must know how to write that diplomatic email in that situation. Okay? So, and then in the next situation, we'll learn how to write email when you're applying for a job, or you're writing, if you're sending some proposal for your business or for anything. I'll show you how we receive lot of emails when students are applying for a job, and those emails are pathetic. I'm telling you, those are so pathetic. So I'll teach you everything so that your mail should look of a high level. It will be a great email. It will create a professional impression on the employer. Okay, so we'll learn everything about that. We'll learn. See, some of you will come across a situation. You are working in a company where the flow of the mail is in a bulk quantity. So how to manage those emails, how to follow up and send reminder emails. So we'll deal with that situation, that case. Then if you want to hire someone, if you are a recruiter or HR manager, so how to write those recruitment related mails. So we'll learn in situation 5. Next, there may be many situations when you have to reply harshly, you have to reply some rude mails. So we'll learn how to write those emails so that it should not look so much rude, but it looks professional when it comes to writing harsh emails. So there may be situations like that, so you must learn this as well. So how to reply to your trailing emails, by referring that you have received those email and you are replying to that mail, so that's other person should know that this email is in a reply to that email. So we'll learn how to draft those emails as well. Okay, and we'll learn basic level formatting and advanced level formatting as well. We'll learn how to add signatures, your signatures in your email, which 80% people do not mention or do not automate that. They have to write every time their name and number and everything. So there should be a signatures when you are sending your email to anyone that looks professional, and there is a disclaimer message that you can. This is an optional thing that you can add in your email or not. This is not required actually. So, and the best part of this course is we are offering you a email marketing bonus class in this at the end. So we'll learn how to create a landing page. If you are well versed with IT skills or you may not well versed with IT skills, doesn't matter, you will learn all those things. We'll learn how to send bulk emails. You may come across that your email is full of mails related to Amazon, Flipkart, and many other companies who send promotional emails. You will learn how to send those promotional emails. So if you are an entrepreneur, then this is a good thing for you. We'll learn how to create automation of the email so that your brand will register in the minds of the customer. So overall, it's a good package, and we'll learn everything practically. There will be no theory. So see you in the next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining this course. Thank you.